Hi everyone! We have just returned from our amazing 2-week vacation and we are thrilled to share our experience with you. Our goal is to provide you with the valuable insights to help you plan your own perfect getaway. Get ready for some fantastic money-saving and time-saving tips. Our adventure took us to incredible destinations such as Rome, Venice, and the stunning Dolomite Mountains. We can't wait to share all these details with you in series of upcoming videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our insider tips for the perfect vacation. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or want to know more. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.
Welcome back to our channel. We welcome you from our new adventure, and at the moment I am in Italy, where it's 32 degrees, extremely hot. Of course, not the same as it was last week. Last week it was 47 degrees.
In this video, we're going to explore must-see destinations in Rome, why you shouldn't buy tickets from third parties in advance, tips for getting cheaper tickets, how to save time with skip-the-line tickets. We'll show not-so-clean Rome town, finding reasonably priced and good value apartments close to the town center.
So guys, we just arrived. So for the first day, we're just gonna walk around. We have rented out apartment. So we're just trying to understand how far all lovely visible points are. So first point reached 1.3 kilometers from our apartment. So just literally outside, we made a few pictures.
Till Daddy organizing tickets we wait here now can explain about the ticket prices and child free till 6 years old.
So we have paid 94 euros skip line tickets for 3 of us. Then we went to collect the tickets, was priced for 2 adults only and child free. Also price on the tickets was saying 16 euro per person, totally 32 euro, but actually we have paid 94 euro. As we watch YouTube video advising us to book in advance, as supposed to be everything sold out. But it's fake. You can get the tickets just outside the Colosseum.
So we are finally inside. As I mentioned before, we booked online tickets, which they are sending confirmation of the booking, which is not original your ticket. You are not allowed to get in with that confirmation. So you need to find the location, some certain location, which being sent on the email. Go to that location to get your original tickets. It was quite huge frustration because we were going in several places and they said no, sorry, that's not the place. And when it's at 32 degrees, you're sweating, you're melting, and on top of that you have no tickets. So yeah, but we managed, we got there. And when you went there, we received the confirmation with a barcode where no child ticket, which was as well additional frustration. But they explained that if you are going to the actual Colosseum to counter number 10, you are capable to get for the child ticket. So we booked with no queues. So yeah, we got the child ticket. Yeah. Yeah, you're here. We got the ticket.
The Colosseum is one of the most well-preserved and recognizable landmarks in the world, and it holds a significant place in history. It continues to capture the imagination of the people worldwide and remains a powerful symbol of both ancient Rome and human ingenuity.
Our little one exhausted. She woke up this morning 3 a.m. At the moment nearly 3 p.m. So she's sweating, she's melting in this weather. So yeah, we're going to the Trevi Fountains. Yeah, you're gonna see on the road, on the street, plenty people who is selling any some umbrellas, some hats, some water by €1. Just don't go into any dialogue with them. Finally, we found it. So let's see, expectation with the reality, how many people around. I lost my family. Where's my family? Guys, do you see them? That's not so crowded. You're still gonna find the spot. When I seen that on YouTube, I thought that's gonna be disaster. You're gonna touch every single person, skin to skin, shoulder to shoulder. But that's not too bad, to be honest. Where's smiley face? My smiley face are exhausted and tired. Daddy, where is your smiley face? Yay! As I told you guys, plenty of rubbish all around the place. This is it. We found it. Across the Italy, you're gonna find the taps of water, which is running non-stop continuously, and you are capable to fill in. It's absolutely fine to drink in. You can fill in to get cooled. So yeah, make sure you have the spare bottle in the bag. This is absolutely safe to drink. As I mentioned before, a lot of trash. Love hearts? No. A lot of trash, as I mentioned before. And that's not the worst picture yet, I'm showing it to you. Hello everyone, one more time. So we have booked the place Argentina area. So you're gonna find several rooms. I can see the maximum number 6. So we got, in this occasion, we got number two. So I'm gonna show you. We made a mess a bit. Yeah, that's number 1. And ours number 2. We got the pin code, or you're well capable to add it on, and that's opening like this. Receive the double bed. That's a double bed. And as we are with a child, we got this single bed for the little one. That's all messy already, sorry for that. I never took video before. So you're gonna get the kettle, coffee machine, table, you see? And that's a private bathroom.
And now look at the door and move it.
You like that?
Yeah.
So yeah,
And then it's
private bathroom.
we're gonna shower.
You see as it is, whole messy room. That's a lie. No lie. That's a real, yeah?
Yeah.
That's a real. So I'm gonna pop out at the bottom the price, which we have paid for the 3 nights.
Hello. I see this
Roses on the wall. She likes the roses. So yeah, that's a kitchen area.
Look. This is cushions. You wanna try?
Cushions. Yeah, that's a cozy. That's a cozy. You're exhausted and tired. I need to put her in the shower. Yeah, as I mentioned before, that's a kitchen area. But this area will be shared with
Everybody else.
any other people who have booked the area. Up till now, we haven't seen anyone yet, but that doesn't mean that we have no neighbors. Jesus Christ, Dad!
He has no teacher. He likes when he has.
Yeah, that's a real mess room.
Look.
You've seen the whole real picture.
Guys, you want to see what I can do? Maybe I can do a background.
Background, come on.
But I guess we'll see.
That's
I'm
What was that?
I'm scared.
Come on.
Wait.
3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Wait, I'm gonna do a try again. Wait.
That was nearly perfect.
No, I don't-
Ooh, wow. Ta-da! Say bye.
I'm a little doggy.
The next day we have booked tickets to the Vatican. This will be followed by the next video to keep things concise and focus on the most interesting aspects for you. Thank you for watching us. If you like this video, please press like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.